All right, I'm back just for future reference. December 8th, 2025. Right now, I'm running two main scans, which I call one the 4x3 and also 25 million shares. Okay, those are my two main lists that I'm running. And very simply, I have an old video about this, about studying the year-to-date winners, right? Or studying what works best within your time frame, within your trading time frame, right? So if your trading time frame is whatever it is short term, then you want to know, see what works best within that time frame. So what you need to do is you need to do this on your own, right? Here I have universe of stock, and I am ranking them by year to date, right? Year to date change. You can do this on a 3 month basis. There's certain stocks that did really well in the first 3 months and then they peter out afterwards. That's what normally happens. So you can do it by the first 3 months, then the second 3 months, third quarter, fourth quarter. But either way, here it is, right? Very simply, purple candles, one of the scans, 4x3. This stock right over here was up 4% or more and 3 times the average 20-day volume. Yellow candle is inside day, right? So once you start going through the list, you want to see where the moves are starting from. Forget what the books tell you. Oh, here's resistance, so the buy stop is 10 cents. No, 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 no. Where are these moves starting from, right? Did this move start here? And then you start to jot down all the commonalities, right? Was it down multiple days in a row? Was it tightening up, etc., right? So as you can see here, you go to the list, you start seeing another purple candle. Oh, another purple candle, right? So you keep going and you start writing down all these things. And by doing this, you can create your own scans, okay? And you can look at the news. So the point is that my main scans are very simply based on what works best within my time frame. For example, to hear the 4x3, every morning or every night, I'm clicking on, first I'm going to view them via the inside day, how many stocks printed an inside day. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to go which ones printed, were down 3 days in a row or more. And then I'm going to go which ones are hugging the 20-day moving average, which means that which ones are within 4% of their 21-day moving average. And that's how I come up with my daily list, okay? But first you need to do the homework and study the biggest winners year to date. You can do them by quarter, by 30 days, 30 months, and start to jot down what's important, what's not important, where are these moves starting from, and then you can create your own scans because things change, right? Things change. So trade them well and be well.